Hey everybody, welcome to my short video about how to answer your phone when it's ringing from your AirPods. I've noticed in the last 6 to 8 months, this happens to be one of the most popular questions I seem to get. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to answer your phone if it happens to be ringing when you're wearing your AirPods. I'll be showing you how to do this on all versions of the AirPods, the original, the AirPods Pro, and the AirPods Max, so stay tuned. First, on the original AirPods, both first and second generation, to answer a call when the phone is ringing, simply double tap the AirPods. If you happen to have call waiting and another call comes in when you're already on the phone, just double tap to answer the new one and put the current one on hold. To switch between the calls, double tap again. And finally, to hang up or end a call, just double tap. In regards to the AirPods Pro, to answer a call when your phone is ringing, squeeze or press the force sensor once. To decline a call and send to voicemail, press the force sensor twice, like a double squeeze or double click. For call waiting, press the force sensor once to answer the call and put the current one on hold. And to switch between calls, press the force sensor once. And finally, to hang up or end the call, press the force sensor once. To answer a call on your AirPods Max, when your phone rings, press the digital crown like a button on your headphones once, as the digital crown operates as a dial and a button. To decline a call and send it to voicemail, double press the digital crown, similar to the idea of a double click. When you're on the phone and get a second call with call waiting, press the digital crown once to put the current call on hold and answer the new one. Press the digital crown once to switch between the calls. And finally, to hang up or end the call, press the digital crown once. Additionally, if you're looking to make a call from any version of AirPods, you'll need to summon Siri and say something like, "Hey, call Michael," or whatever contact you're looking to call. You can also specify the phone number, like saying, "Hey, call 1-866-222-3456, and Siri will dial the number for you. See how easy it is to use your AirPods on phone calls? If you have any other unique questions about your AirPods, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Your question may inspire a future video. Also, if you'd like to learn more about how to use your AirPods, check out my AirPods or AirPods Pro user guides. I'll leave links in the description below. I'm also working on a user guide for the AirPods Max, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're down there, don't forget to ring that bell and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos, including tech how-tos, every week. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.